So guess what? I just won, as you can see on your screen, 100% completion of the Pixeltap daily combo, and I just won 6,648,000 Pixeltap coins. What are you waiting for? Join me in this video as I show you today's daily combo so that you can also win your own for today. Today's daily combo on Pixeltap. Let's go there. So first of all, you launch the bot. You launch the bot so that you launch the bot. Then having launched the bot, you click on reward.
Welcome to Legit Ideas, the number one go-to YouTube channel for finance and tech. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
So on the next page, you click on play. Click on play here. Let me point it to my arrow. Okay, click on play. Now we'll open the combo page now. So this is how the combo page will look like. So you drag this last one first to the first box. Yes, this one I'm pointing my arrow. You drag it to the first box, as you can see me do. Correct. Then you drag next this one I'm pointing now. Yes, you drag it to the second box. You drag it to the second box. Let me do it. Okay, now for the third box, you drag this one. See the one I'm pointing? Yes, you drag it to the third box. So let me drag it. You see me? Correct. Now finally, this first one, yes, this one, you will drag it to the last box. Watch me. Okay, very good. Now since all of them have been done, you click on check. So you click on check to confirm it. Now click on check. We are waiting. Can you see it? Congratulations, won 432,000 Pixeltap coins. Now any the coin, it has different factors, so you can click on claim to claim it. Congratulations, claim your reward. You can click on claim to claim it, and that is all for today's combo on Pixeltap. So that is all. Today's start combo have been claimed. So we hope to see you tomorrow for tomorrow's combo in our page. We hope to see you every morning for daily combo on Pixeltap. If you have not yet joined, please use the link in the description section of this video or in the comment section to start now. If you have any questions, you can simply ask in the comment section. If you are not yet doing Pixeltap, check our video for the introduction and start right away. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new from this video today. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please. Thank you.